Namaste, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well, staying home. So in this quarantine time, I'm going to create this look for you guys. This is Foxy eye makeup look, and this is going a bit trendy nowadays in this YouTube world. So I thought of doing this makeup tutorial for you guys. I hope you will enjoy watching me doing this tutorial. So to see how I achieve this look, please keep on watching. I'm going to use this Essence को eyebrow pomade. अनि त्यो Foxy eye makeup को लागि चाहिँ we need to uplift our eyebrows also. So I'm going to do that. मैले चाहिँ आफ्नो brows regularly जसरी गर्थे त्यो भन्दा हल्का माथि गर्छु. Firstly, I'm going to brush this eyebrows here upwards. And यसरी माथि लगिसकेपछि चाहिँ I'm going to take a brush into this Essence को eyebrow pomade. अनि यसलाई पर pinch गरेर flat गराएर यो brush लाई, and I'm going to make an outline first. अनि outline गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ यसलाई बाहिर लिएर जान्छु म. We don't want this tail part किनभने मेरो eyebrows चाहिँ यस्तो straight अनि यस्तो तल आएको छ. So we don't want that today. आजको look को लागि चाहिँ we are going to change our brows को shape. त्यही भएर मैले यसलाई अलिकति माथि draw गरेछु. Now it's time to clean out the brows. यो मिलानीको फाउन्डेसन हातमा थोरै पम्प गरेर अनि यो फ्ल्याट ब्रस यस्तो राउन्ड शेपको फ्ल्याट ब्रस लिएर I'm going to carve my brows with the help of this foundation. Now I'm going to blend this foundation into my crease area. And I'm taking this Maybelline Fit Me Go loose powder to set that foundation in place. After doing this, now I'm going to create an eye look, Foxy eye look on my eyes. I'm going to take the brown shade wala in this angled brush, taking it out. म चाहिँ पहिला सुरु outline बनाउँछु यो shadow ले चाहिँ Foxy eye makeup को लागि. र अब चाहिँ हल्का लाइट ब्राउन कलर लिएर यो हार्स लाइनलाई ब्लेन्ड गर्ने ट्रायंगुलर शेपमा. Now taking a blending brush यस्तो वाला, I'm going to take another shade यो वाला, यो ब्राउन वाला दिन्छु. Dragging it into my crease. र अब चाहिँ म यो Wet n Wild को हाइलाइटर आफ्नो रिङ फिङ्गरमा लिएर यता अगाडि पिक्चरतिर लगाउँछु. I'm going to clean my Now I'm going to apply eyeliner. र eyeliner को लागि चाहिँ म यो Sonata को eyeliner लिदैछु. I'm going to apply it यही eyeshadow को शेपमा. र यसरी म अगाडि इनर कर्नरमा पनि ट्रायंगल बनाउँछु. Now I'm going to apply these lashes. यो चाहिँ अलि natural type को lashes छ. So to apply the lashes, I'm going to use this duo को glue. अनि म यसको band मा लगाउँछु पहिला. This glue is very nice, you guys. अरु glue हरु भन्दा मलाई यही glue मन पर्यो. एकछिन एउटा हल्का dry हुन दिने. I'm done with my eyes. Now I'm heading towards my face. So firstly I'm going to prime my face with the help of this Resvol ko primer, face perfecting primer. I'm going to use this primer for today and I'm going to apply it all over my face. I'm using the natural light. त्यही भएर यो साइडमा चाहिँ छाया पर्छ, स्याडो परेको भएर चाहिँ I think यताको चाहिँ अलि डार्क देखिरहेको छ होला. So don't mind that. For today's look I'm going to be using these two. मैले चाहिँ यो दुईटा मिक्स गरेर I'm going to apply it on my face. दुईटाको एक एक पम्प लिन्छु. And then I'm going to add some these yellow pigment which helps to get my perfect undertone. म निधारमा चाहिँ खासै धेरै लाउँदिन. म चाहिँ निधारमा लगाएको खासै मन पर्दैन, so I don't apply. अनि म चाहिँ यो स्पन्ज को यो पछाडीको पार्टले I'm going to blend it into my skin. Also, I'm going to drag this foundation into my neck. Now I'm taking this concealer and use it one dot मात्रै लगाउँछु. Now I'm going to contour my face with the help of this Eyemakeup Pro Conceal. So to set my face, I'm going to use this loose powder. अनि blender मा लिएर and now I'm going to contour. The अघि गरेको कन्टुरमा I'm going to add this Eyemakeup Pro Contour Powder. I'm also dusting out the powder at the same time. Now I'm taking this Milanico blush. Now I'm going to finish this look with the lipstick. So firstly I'm taking this Colourpop lippy stick and I'm adding this Milanico Amore Matte lipstick in the center of my lips. Now finally I'm going to spray this Elegol Pro Setting Spray all over my face. This much for today's look, guys. I hope you all enjoyed watching me doing this makeup. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please stay safe and enjoy your lockdown. Also, please let me know how I did this look. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I love you all.